brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything, Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Getting wet already, and the showers continue. We could see another 10 to 20 millimeters tonight. More showers tomorrow, 5 to 10 millimeters. Now, there's a bit of a lull through the morning, but by 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, that probability starts to pick up again. Northwest winds will bring temperatures down too. We've got a pretty cool Sunday. Could be a little blustery too. And then the rain ends Sunday. We're hoping that by the afternoon we'll start to see some clearing. And then you've got a sunny and seasonal Monday. So those temperatures start to come back up again. 11 or 12 Monday, but even better beyond that as we see another day of sunshine into Tuesday. But we're hoping. It looks like showers could move in Wednesday, so that Tuesday of sunshine may be short-lived. You might get a little sunshine in the morning and then cloud moving in. We'll take a closer look at those details in a moment. 16 in Kingston. 12 is the seasonal norm now for a daytime high. Look at this in Brockville, 18. Nearly 20 degrees in Smiths Falls and Ottawa today. It's October 20th. I had to double take the calendar today when I saw those temperatures. 14 in Peterborough, Oshawa, and Toronto today. So everybody either just above normal or way above normal on the east end of our map. Sitting at 14 now, southerly winds not very strong, 9 kilometers per hour. We're going to find that turnaround become more northwesterly over the weekend, and then temperatures falling as a result of that. By Saturday night, it's going to be pretty chilly. And yes, we are getting some rain. Could be heavy at times through the evening and overnight tonight. 10 millimeters counted so far, and there's more where that came from. That wet weather will continue probably until Sunday afternoon, because we're contending with multiple depressions. We've got this one moving through now, reinforced by a low along the coast, and another one sort of developing in the midst of it. So we've got these 3 lows that are kind of doing this little dance here, and as they continue to cycle through the region, the wet weather continues, and even after they move on, we see wraparound and troughing in behind. And so right into Sunday afternoon, the probability of showers is still there. Brockville, Smiths Falls, you may not see it end until the evening. Belleville and Kingston, it may come to an end through the early afternoon. By the evening in the Belleville-Kingston area, clearing thanks to high pressure, but you want to bet that high pressure is coming from the north, much cooler air moving in. Northwest winds could be gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour on late Saturday into Sunday. So this is where we are now, why we're getting a bit of a soaking. The shower is heavy at times through the evening and overnight. Will continue. By morning, though, it thins out a little bit. That probability drops. Kickoff time at Richardson Stadium. Is it just after the noon hour? Is it not? Is it around 1 o'clock? Anyway, it does look as if that probability diminishes. I'm not going to say you won't get wet. Bring your slicker, your raincoat, your umbrella if you're going to the game, the homecoming game. There is still a probability through the afternoon, and but the higher probability comes after 3 o'clock. That's usually when the game is wrapping up. And then look at this. We're not just seeing the probability of showers as a result of this trough in the north on Sunday. Yeah, from Bancroft and even as far south as Peterborough, looking at wet snow and mixed precipitation. For us here, closer to Lake Ontario, Belleville, Kingston, Brockville, Smiths Falls, it's all about the rain. So don't worry about the white stuff right now. We're not seeing that. But you can see it doesn't really stop. By Sunday, 6 p.m., we're still into the showers, hoping that overnight it'll clear up and we'll get back into some clearing on Monday. And an improvement in temperatures, too. Look at that drop on Sunday. In Belleville, you've got showers and a high 14 tomorrow, more of it. Yes, Sunday, a high 7, cloudy, and yeah, that shower activity continuing until the late afternoon, early evening before we see it wrap up. And look at those temperatures. I think that's the first minus in our overnight lows on any of our boards. So yeah, it's a cool one. But then nicely on Monday, as the sunshine returns, we see temperatures getting up at 12 for a daytime high. That is seasonal for the Belleville-Kingston area. Brockville rising to 14 tomorrow as the showers continue. You can see another 5 to 10 millimeters of rain on top of the 10 to 20 you see tonight, and then maybe another 5 to 10 on Sunday, 6 for a high Sunday, and down to a +1. For Monday, 11 degrees and mainly sunny conditions. Smiths Falls looking at a good soaking tonight, tomorrow, and yeah, your rain is going to last a little longer because it gets to you a little later too. Your winds a little stronger too. Those northwest winds on Saturday Saturday and into Sunday morning, could be gusting up to 50 or 60 km. Monday, it's mainly sunny and temperatures return to a seasonal level. Kingston, your forecast, a high 14 with showers. 10 to 20 millimeters tonight, another 10 to 15 tomorrow. Sunday, the showers should end by late afternoon, clearing in the evening. Sunny on Monday with a high of 11, up to 14. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. And then Wednesday, a high 15, the chance of showers moving back in as we look at temperatures just above normal. Let's have a look now at your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Susan Hitchcock of Sydenham sends this one in a recent visit to Westport from Spy Rock on Foley Mountain, getting some great shots of the fall colors. Thank you, Susan, for sharing with us. If you've got pictures, share them with us, just like Susan did. Send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yes, a lot of people have been to Foley Mountain, and what a panorama it offers.
Yes, very beautiful. The only advice I would have for those kind of shots is, because I suspect this is taken with the phone, turn the phone the other way and give us a nice landscape shot. Give us the whole picture.
Okay. The only, I guess, silver lining in this forecast this weekend, Bill, is Saturday, when the rain will not be steady. There will be breaks in it, right? And
yes,
as you mentioned, maybe during the big homecoming football game, it might
It
be
slows
overcast
down.
and
I can promise you that it won't be heavy like it is tonight and through tomorrow night. I'm not saying it'll be gone completely, but that probability and the intensity diminishes through the day, through the morning, early afternoon. By late afternoon, that probability starts to grow again. So maybe we'll get lucky and it'll be no more than a mist or drizzle for the Richardson Stadium folks.
Okay, and your 10-day outlook is coming up a little later. Thank you, Bill. Having trouble down in Florida. Okay, Bill, 10-day outlook, which will take us almost to the end of October.
Yeah, almost to Halloween, and we're looking at that chance of showers to stay with us. In fact, another 10 to 20 millimeters tonight in Kingston, maybe 5 to 10 millimeters tomorrow. There seems to be a lull through the morning, but by about mid-afternoon, that probability increases, that intensifies for Sunday. A lot cooler. Northwest winds gusting up to 50 Saturday, late Saturday, and into Sunday morning is going to bring temperatures down. The chance of showers probably ending late Sunday, clearing overnight. Monday, mainly sunny with a high of 11. Nice to see the double digits return, as high as 14. Tuesday with cloudy and sunny periods. Wednesday, a high 15. Back into the chance of showers. 13 for a high Thursday with a chance of showers. Friday up to 14 and more showers. Looks like that probability is going to hang on as we roll into next weekend and wrap up October. We still see the probability of showers and temperatures dropping. Only highs of 8 over Sunday and Monday of next week.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Your long-range CKWS News at 11.
Lots of low pressure pushing through and bringing temperatures up right now. We're seeing temperatures well above normal thanks to these warm fronts. These two lows that are moving up along the coast are sort of helping to bring that warmer, moist air out of the Gulf of Mexico. However, it meets up with all that cool air coming in from the northwest, and that's where these depressions are growing stronger. And as they push through, we see rain on and off for a few days. We've already got some. There's more yet to come. We probably won't see it end until sometime Sunday afternoon in parts of eastern Ontario, because even after these lows move on, we see this troughing wrap around from those lows coming through. High pressure trying to get in and clear things up. One thing certain, come Sunday, Saturday night into Sunday, temperatures drop because of this push out of the northwest. It could be a little breezy on Sunday. And then we get into some sunshine over Monday and Tuesday, hoping those temperatures will start to rebound back to double digits by Monday in Belleville, a high of 12. But you can see Sunday's quite cool. And showers, yes, heavy at times tonight. Could see 10 to 20 millimeters, another 60% probability tomorrow, high 14, 7's your high on Sunday. It's a cool one. Look at that, -1 for a low Sunday night. That is a first for minus temperatures on our boards so far this season. And like I said, sunshine returns Monday, a high of 12. Brockville, you're up to 14 with showers continuing tomorrow, maybe another 10 to 15 millimeters. Sunday, a high 6, and rain. You could see 20 millimeters Sunday. Yes, it's a little late for you, and so it lasts a little longer. Monday, it's mainly sunny and a high of 11. We've got some cool temperatures for everybody on Sunday, I believe. Smiths Falls, 13's your high for tomorrow with rain continuing, another 20 to 30 millimeters, another 5 to 10 for Sunday with a high 7, and then we see some clearing late Sunday. Monday, mainly sunny and a high of 11. of 11. Kingston, your forecast rising to 14 tomorrow as we see that probability slow down in the morning, but ramping back up through the evening again. And so you've got the shower activity tonight, heavy at times, and then it builds through the day again tomorrow. Sunday, cool, high 7, and the chance of showers still there. Hoping to see that end of the afternoon. Monday, mainly sunny with a high of 11 up to 14. Tuesday, and cloudy. The chance of showers returns Wednesday.